I speak to you in a calm voice and I tell you a very simple story. And this story is long, soft, and slow. And it is here to help you relax, smile a little, and finally close your eyes. And yes, it will be only one piece of text. No breaks, no cuts, no hard jumps, just one gentle river of words that carries you to sleep. So let us begin and let us walk together into this funny and relaxing English night. Because tonight you will not study hard. Tonight you will not worrying about grammar or big books. Tonight you will only listen, breathe, and dream, and your English will grow in a soft and easy way. I tell you about a man, and this man is very normal. He is not rich. He is not famous. He is just simple, and his name is Tom. And Tom has one big problem. He always says he will sleep early, but he never does, because every night he finds a new reason to stay awake. Maybe a cookie in the kitchen, maybe a silly video, maybe his funny cat. Yes, he has a cat, and the cat is not quiet. The cat is a small clown. The cat jumps on the bed. The cat runs in circles. The cat makes noise at midnight, and Tom cannot sleep. And you know what? The cat's name is Mr. Banana. Yes, really, Mr. Banana. Because one day Tom wanted to eat a banana, and the cat stole it, and the cat kicked it like a football. And Tom laughed so much that the name stayed forever. So, now Tom and Mr. Banana live together. One man and one noisy cat. And every night is a small comedy show. One evening Tom said, "Enough, tonight I will sleep early. I will drink hot milk. I will wear my pajamas. I will put on calm English audio, and I will sleep like a baby. And Mr. Banana will not stop me." But of course life is not so easy. So Tom drank the milk. Tom closed his eyes. And the cat started a rock concert. Crash, bang, meow. The cat jumped. The cat pushed a glass. The cat made music with the table. And Tom opened one eye and said in a tired voice, "Please, Banana, not tonight." But the cat only meowed louder. And Tom laughed a little even if he was tired, because sometimes the only answer is to laugh, even when the cat is a heavy metal singer. Finally, Tom fell asleep, and in his dream he was in a classroom. But the teacher was not human. The teacher was Mr. Banana the cat, and the students were sheep. Yes, real sheep. And the cat said with glasses on, "Repeat after me. Meow, hello, meow." And the sheep tried to follow, but one sheep raised a hand and asked, "Excuse me, teacher, do we get cookies after class?" And the cat said, "No cookies. Only bananas." And Tom laughed even in his dream, and the dream was strange but friendly. When Tom woke up, he remembered some English words. He remembered "I am learning." He remembered "I am better every day." He remembered "I believe in myself." And he smiled, because maybe it was not magic, but it was working a little, and he felt good. And he felt progress, and progress is enough. Even if it is slow, even if it is small, because small steps are strong steps. And Tom learned this lesson in the night. Now I tell you the secret too. You cannot learn all grammar in your sleep. You cannot be fluent in one night, but you can grow slowly. You can remember small words. You can enjoy the rhythm. You can let your brain relax and work in the background. And you can wake up softer, calmer, and a little stronger. Tonight you can also do what Tom did. You can make your room quiet. You can put your phone away. You can drink warm milk or tea. You can choose easy English. And you can listen with no pressure, no stress. Just calm words like moon, pillow, blanket. Window, star, safe, slow, kind, gentle. And you can picture them in your head. You can make small funny stories, like the moon looks at the pillow and says good night. The blanket gives the pillow a hug. The star smiles at the window. And window laughs a little. And you can let these small pictures stay in your head like soft toys on a shelf. You can even smile at a small joke, like one time I tried to speak English to my toaster to make it faster. I said, "Please hurry. I am late." And the toaster did not answer. But the bread jumped like a dolphin, and I laughed alone in the kitchen. So remember, even small silly jokes can make you happy, and happy is also a kind of learning, because when you smile, your brain is open. Now you feel your body relax, your shoulders relax, your arms relax, your legs relax, your face relax, and every part of you is ready for sleep. And you breathe in and out, like waves, soft waves, not strong waves. And with each wave, you say one easy word: calm, clear, safe, slow, kind, and the words enter your chest and stay warm, and the worries leave quietly, and they do not come back tonight. I tell you again that you did well today. You are doing fine. You are learning, and you are allowed to rest. You are allowed to stop. You are allowed to sleep, because sleep is part of learning. And your brain is ready to work gently, to move the words, to organize the ideas, to put new English in safe boxes. And you will see it tomorrow in small ways. When you remember one new word, when you understand one easy sentence, when you feel one little step forward, and that is success. I will not stop this story fast. I will walk with you slowly, because you need time to drift. So I keep speaking like a river that never ends, soft, smooth, flowing, with commas as small pauses, with full stops as soft rests, so your ears can follow without work, and your mind can float like a boat on still water, and you can let the boat move with no effort, and the lake is calm, and the sky is big, and the stars are friendly, and even Mr. Banana is sleeping now. Finally, curled up, like a soft loaf of bread, and the world is quiet, and the story is safe. You are safe too. You are warm. You are calm. You are ready, and your eyes can close now, and you can let sleep take you. And if you are still listening, that is fine. And if you are already drifting, that is also fine, because everything is fine. Tonight, and you did enough, and you are enough. And this story is here only to help. And now the night is full of peace. And you can let go. And you can dream. And you can rest. Good night, my friend. Good night, gentle learner. Good night, soft traveler. Sleep well, dream well, and learn well.